We are using a stretch jersey, so we are doing 2 seams to finish the edges. Pin the neckline facing right sides together to the neckline. Start at the center front. Here comes another specialty of this sewing pattern. For the facing, we omitted the seam allowance at the back because we will finish it neatly along the zipper. We'll show you how. First, you will not sew the facing until the end, but leave around 3 to 4 centimeters or 1 inch open on each side. There will be excess fabric of your main fabric. As you fold over the zipper part, that will be okay. Another hack: to avoid cutting and snipping, sew just up to the shoulder seam. Fold the seam allowance to one side. Stop, then fold it to the other side and continue sewing. It's easiest to start sewing at one end. Just remember to leave the 3 to 4 centimeters open at the end. Here is where we fold the seam allowance to the opposite side of our seam. And sew only to the shoulder seam. Then stop. Now fold the seam allowance to the other side and continue sewing. You might want to snip the facing at this point to give it some room for the curve. Do the same on the other shoulder seam. Now sew along the back side of your facing on your zipper band. Fold the whole zipper part over to the facing and close the hole that you left before. Turn this part inside out, and you'll have a beautifully set facing at your back zipper. Iron well.